Installing a retail store display window or securing the glass panels of a skyscraper takes the craftsmanship of a glazer. Glazers cut and install glass for a variety of structures and ensure it is secured and weatherproof for all seasons. In homes, glazers install or replace windows, mirrors, and shower doors, as well as fitting glass for tabletops and display cases. On commercial projects, glazers install items such as decorative room dividers, security windows, or skylights, and replace storefront windows. On large-scale construction jobs, glass arrives on a project already cut and mounted into frames. Glazers position and secure the windows in place, with the help of construction workers using cranes or hoists to guide the pieces into place. The work is physically demanding. Glazers spend most of the day standing, bending, or reaching, and often must lift and maneuver heavy, cumbersome materials. They have a higher than average rate of injuries and illnesses, typically from falls and overexertion. Most glazers work full-time, and the majority work for building contractors. Some work for building material and supplies dealers. Glazers typically train in a 4-year apprenticeship after completing a high school education. Unions and contractor associations typically sponsor apprenticeship programs in this field. A few states require licensure.